Oh, this one's freaking, this one feels decent. Am I stuck? I'm not stuck. It's coming up. Dude, this guy's fighting way harder. Holy crap. I don't know what this is. Big one, big one. Oh my God. I've never.
That's another big one.
Get up. Get up. Oh, pulling drip. Dude, this guy's fighting so hard. That's a giant one, boys. Check out that catfish. Are you freaking kidding me right now? All right, so explain what this is. Hey, you can't wear it yet. You can't wear it. Take that off. Take that off.
To show you what it looked like.
Oh, it actually has some weight to it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So whoever catches the most or what?
Yeah, or the biggest or however you want to do it. Whatever you want to agree on.
That is awesome. so should I just take this now or?
I don't know.
That's awesome. All right, I'm excited now. Now it's the challenge.
There you go. Isn't that awesome?
Fishing champion. So whoever catches the most fish or the biggest fish will take this little trophy home. So this is me, 106. Yeah, buddy. So this video is probably a little confusing. I have not filmed an intro just yet for what we're doing, but I just drove 6 hours to get down here in Texoma. We got me, Marcus, and Jeremy. We're all going out tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. with a guide here at Lake Texoma for striper. I have been waiting for this trip for 2 months now. It's been a while, and the last time we were here, we caught like 62 striper. It was super fun, but we did not get any super huge striper, so I'm hoping this trip around we get to catch some big ones. But I'm excited. Tomorrow's gonna be an awesome day of fishing. I cannot wait. So I will see you guys at 6 a.m. in the morning. All right, it is 5:26 in the morning. And in about 30 minutes, we will be on the boat chasing down some striper. I am freaking stoked.
Yeah. What for yesterday? Reel it up about a foot from the tip, hit me with a hook.
There you go.
No more, bud.
A little more?
Don't hit me with that weight, you'll be sitting in the penalty here. You hit me with that weight, it's over with for you for about 10 minutes. You know what pulls out are?
Yeah.
We're going to go about 15 pulls out.
15? Okay.
Get your weight even with the water.
Just drop down the shad. Oh, did I bite? I'm already getting hit. Already on.
There you go.
Already on.
You didn't even put my bait on.
Oh, I got off at the surface. No.
Hey,
it wasn't very.
Guys, it ain't bass fishing when you do all this. Raise that rod up, make it bend.
Okay.
And set the hook.
Oh yeah.
Bring it up.
It wasn't a very big one.
Oh bullshit! You couldn't hold your rod up there for a second. You never pick it up, bud, and don't never drag it in my live well or nothing.
What the hell?
Are you fishing right over that cleat, bud? No.
So right off the bat, this guy's telling us to hit him with the hooks. Don't hit him with the weight. It will be done for you. Said I couldn't hold my rod up, and then called a 14-inch striper a big fish. Which later in the video, we will learn that Daryl here and Guaranteed Guide Service see a 9-inch striper as a keeper fish. So to him, that 14-inch striper probably was a big fish. But anyways, we're just getting started. Let's get back to the fishing.
Everybody, here they come.
Yeah, I'm getting a hit.
Let him take it. Oh, I seen him. I thought he was gonna take it.
He's.
Get him. You got him.
There it is.
And follow him. If he goes one way, you stay in front of him.
Okay.
Remember that trolling motor up there? Oh, there he is. In the boat, buddy.
Go flip it. Yeah, buddy.
That means you 15 down or what?
Yeah, 15. That's feisty, bro. Swallowed the crap out of it.
I'll get him, bro.
You'll get him? Okay.
Really not. Right here.
Okay.
Up.
So here he is holding my line and walking to the front of the boat. Then he stops and walks back, which of course is going to make my rod go down.
Hold it up, bud. Don't lay it on me.
And he says, don't lay it on me. He caused that to happen. All the problems this guy deals with are 95% caused from his own actions and how he runs the boat and all his rules. But he can't see that.
Man, I cannot see that damn hook.
Yeah, he swallowed it bad. It was bleeding.
No, that's what you want. There you want
Right.
to take it or you'll miss them. Oh, you ought to have one on back there, buddy.
Oh.
Pick up on
Oh,
that
you're
rod.
on, you're on.
Get him. I knew somebody had. He ought to have one on too. They're under.
All right, Jeremy's on.
Now don't go on the end of the rod. This is why you land the fish right here. That there might be net material. You land the fish.
Oh yeah, that's a decent one. Yeah.
Come out here before I break my line.
Okay.
Jeremy's on the big one.
There, we could have netted that one. You got one that size
Yep.
bigger, we got to net it.
Good job, Jeremy, with the biggest fish of the day.
Pick your rod up, bud, when I'm taking the hook off.
Okay.
Y'all keep laying it down on my shoulder. That means reel up right here.
Okay.
Reel up and don't never press button. Keep that rod bent over. Everybody pull, keep the rod going straight up. There we go. You can let it off now a little. Let off. Jeremy. I'm going to kiss on them flies.
Hey, back of the boat's killing it.
You go 17, bud? That's where you need to be.
Yes, sir.
If he's doing 17 pulls,
Yeah, I got 17.
squeal, bud. Hold him up. There you go. Hold on.
Another netter.
There's the netter.
You have it? Let go and just keep it reeled up 1 foot from it.
One
then
foot.
You don't swing it at me like that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
You just hold on.
Uh-oh.
He's gonna break you off. Hold your pole up, though. No, don't press it up.
Just hold it up.
Just always bring it in. What it is. You get it?
Oh, I thought you-
When you watch your rod.
I thought you had another
How
one.
many pulls are you out? Huh?
17.
Get it. Dang it. He ought to be there. Huh?
On. Oh, that's a gar.
Oh, it is. Oh, look at that. Boy, that's 1 in a million.
Is that different?
Usually don't catch them like that out here.
That's freaking cool.
That one don't count on the challenge.
Oh no, that counts. So you just heard him say I just caught a fish that's 1 in a million. And you can see me reaching my phone around to film it. But if I never did this, I would have never even got to see the fish or have video of it because he just instantly dropped it in the water. What kind of gar was that? Needle nose? Heck yeah. I'll take it. I don't think I ever caught one before. I never caught a needle nose gar before, so it would have been cool to hold the fish for a second and get a picture with it, or even see it for that matter. But nope, not with this guide service. Yeah, Marcus is on. All right, Marcus's first fish. Are y'all keeping count back here?
I got the biggest one.
No.
I got the smallest one.
No. All right, it's been a good start. I mean, we literally just started and we're catching them. Just caught a needle nose gar as well. Unexpected catch, but I'll take it. I didn't get to see it, but I know I caught one. I'm gonna check mine. I got hit a lot. Mine's probably gone.
Come on, guys. You gotta let them get on there. Come on, dude. Don't camp out. Ready to get up. You can get me back. Let go of them, bud. I'd rather you just swing them to me. That way I don't get scales all over my reel. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't touch the bait. It makes it just dirty.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
That's why I like looking at you, because I can tell if you're right on them where I want them. God, they're all over you.
I got one.
They're all over. Now you gotta reel. You gotta quit pulling, bud. No, yeah, you got to. You're pulling right as they're hitting it. If you'll let them get on there, they'll commit suicide, I promise. If you let them take it bait, they can't eat it tail first. You're pulling, they got it tail first.
Okay.
So you gotta let them take it, and then after they twist on it a little bit, then they turn around and eat it head first. There you go.
Hey, Marcus is on again.
Put him in the boat. There we go. Here you go.
Thanks, sir.
Stop reeling all the way up there everywhere. You ought to have one over if you know something's wrong. Yeah, I would. I got enough bait for 10 men. I wouldn't sit down there if you ain't got one home because they're there.
Yeah.
I know more about your bait than you do. Man, everybody ought to have one on. Let him take it, big boy. Get him. There you go. Got 2 on at a time here.
Doubled up.
You need to let him take it back.
Oh, this
there.
one's fighting hard. Oh, this big one, net.
Hold on. Better hold the rod up. Quit pointing it at him. You never point the rod at a fish.
So this whole time he's been telling us to always put the weight 1 foot from the tip of the rod. So that's what I've been doing straight out of the water. And if I'm doing that and holding my rod up, then this netter fish will be flopping out of the water and will snap the line and I would lose the fish. But he seems to see that as me pointing my rod at the fish. If he wants me to hold the fish out of the water, then I might as well be boat flipping all the fish. Oh, we got in the big school.
Woo!
Yeah, buddy.
Use your bait.
Yeah, buddy.
Get that hand
Oh, you got it?
behind the reel and put it up in front of the reel. Reel up, guys. You don't never press my button when a fish hits the water.
Oh, there he is complaining about where the weight is sitting again.
You gotta press them buttons. And I'm fighting the hook away. Let me give you a bite, bud. Come on.
All right.
Get it up here. Anybody that's got a bare hook, force it on me. All right, bud, you got to get it down there without double hooking. That's about half your problem. I'm going to try you right in the tail if it'll bite it. Go for it. Figure it. Be still.
Feisty.
Yeah, I think I got you about 5 inches.
I don't know, man.
I got you.
I don't know, man.
These ain't no 5 inches. I better
Oh, come on now.
Yeah.
You're not going to get a bigger tip that way.
The guy, he will from me.
Hey.
I think you think yours a little bit.
Well, you heard it, Marcus.
That mine was bigger than yours.
Nope, I could tell from way back here.
Oh, you know you cannot.
Let go, whatever you do, just lay it down. But don't, if you wouldn't have grabbed it, it wouldn't have tangled like that.
Well, I was trying to.
Now you can bring it right here over the top of it like a train. Let him get it. Get him!
Aw, that was crazy.
Sometimes you just don't get him.
Yeah.
He pulls that rod over, get him. Reel up, he got you.
Okay.
Get him! Hey! Oh, we need some little ones. We can't have all big ones.
So he just said we need little ones. Who in their right mind pays $475 for a guided fishing trip to catch little fish? In fact, let's go check out their public website real quick and see what they show there. So here is their website. Go to Media Gallery. All these fish look big. We got different photo groups here. Go to ladies. Yep, all big fish here. Hall of Fame Gallery. All big fish. Where are all these small fish that we need? Very odd. Oh, there's a small fish. Can you believe he actually kept this fish? There's no small limit on Texoma, but still, I wouldn't keep a crappie this small. Jeremy, you're being quiet, so you're about to come back hard, aren't you?
I know, he could come back and go.
We can't talk yet.
Now, guys, I'd watch you ride and I'd quit moving it up and down. You'll have one on there in about 2 seconds.
There he is complaining about us talking with each other and joking, having fun. Nope, that's not allowed with guaranteed guide service. You gotta constantly watch your pole and catch that limit to get off the water as quick as possible.
Yeah, everybody reel it up a time or two off of that 16. Oh, there he goes. He had one. Get him. There you go. Reel up, bud. Get your bait. They'll let them and we got 6 fish to stop out here in a minute.
So Marcus just caught a fish and I turned around to film him, get it in the boat, and Daryl here says, the hell with that filming, which honestly just pissed me off. So at this point, I can't even film my friends catch their fish. I mean, what is allowed on this fishing trip? Are we even allowed to have fun? Jeremy's on.
Hey, right there anywhere ought to be good. Y'all boys better step your game up.
I know it.
Catching them.
You know, I told you. That's right. Y'all good.
See how he put it in a small bucket? small fish bucket.
Yeah, I filled it up. Can't even see inside there. Yeah, he's not meant for the bucket. You see that?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. We got 4 or 5, so we only keep like 1 or 2 more big ones. You gotta catch yours, you won't keep one. Is that a big one?
It feels big. It's fighting. That's decent. We're using that.
How big is it?
Oh, it came off.
Y'all gotta quit the bass fishing and quit letting your rod go up and down.
It's taking
I'm just
it.
saying though, y'all do that. Y'all are used to bass fishing. Y'all trying to feed it to them, and you don't do that with stripers. You keep it up, keep that where it rod being.
There's the whole pointing the rod down thing again. That didn't even happen. At this point, I was just agreeing with everything he said because I was tired of listening to him complain about everything. If I didn't do it this way, he would have complained about me doing it the other way. So at this point, it's pointless. Oh, dude, he might take the belt home, man.
No, man.
Oh, big Marcus, big.
Get him. You get a 15-pounder and the way y'all are dropping your rod. There's another over. I don't know. Put him in the boat, bud. Be brave, be brave.
Dang, heck yeah, Marcus.
There's another over. He's gonna catch all the overs.
Yeah.
I have no mercy today.
No mercy.
Oh, there's another over. I don't know. Put him in the boat, bud. Be brave, be brave.
Once again, he's not caring about us landing the bigger fish. If it breaks off, it breaks off. Who cares about the big fish, right?
They go over here, the bump right there. Yeah. Get your ass up, get your next bass. Up there. Oh, you got 8 inches off.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's bait, man.
There he is.
That goes for the small.
Right as I brought it up.
Yeah, I think you got the smallest fish award so far. Little baby. Yeah.
Get him, bud. There you go.
Are we doubled up? Oh no. Oh, I got a decent one.
Bring it up, bud. Bring it on up. You got a messed up baby. You'd have caught that one. Yeah, I'd raise
I'm gonna
it.
boat flip this guy behind you.
Yeah, there you go. Raise it up, bud. I wouldn't sit there that long. You got a messed up bait, I can guarantee you.
Oh, look at that.
I told you that. Come on. I can tell more about your phone than you hanging on to it.
Right? But one day.
They're down there, man. Get them. They're down there now. Hold them up. They are down there. We're supposed to be done here in a minute. They're down there.
We got fish everywhere.
Pick it up, buddy.
What?
They're everywhere down there, guys.
All right, they're everywhere. You heard them.
Get him, bud. I'd have got him. You got time. Reel him up. I wouldn't even sit there. You pick up, he's not there, bring it in. Get these babies going. They're down there.
I'm not going to bring my striper shirt.
There we go.
Oh, he's pulling drag. It feels good.
He's just got a small one.
That's a netter.
Netter.
Yes, sir.
Pick him up, huh?
Woo-wee.
Come on, I think we're done with him.
Oh, Marcus is on.
That boy back there won't let us take it. He's got a big one, all right. Bring him around, bud. Put him in the boat, that boy.
Oh, flip. I don't know, Marcus, mine was a little bigger. Flip her over the boat, man.
There we go.
I was going to check you, see if he ain't pink panties on. You can't raise that little bit.
Well, you know, you got to handle them gentle sometimes. Yeah, that's what she told me anyway.
That's a lie with these kids.
So this time, in my mind, I'm thinking, hold the pole up. This whole time, he's been telling us to hold the pole up. So this time I did it.
Give me a little slack now, boy.
And now he wants some slack. You can never please this guy. So you can keep 6 big ones? Hey.
So let's get all small ones from here on out. Take your rod up, bud. Put that bass fishing again.
Good one, the netter.
Hey, we'll take them.
All to be netters.
They're funner. Yeah, we want the netters.
We do none.
There you go.
We don't want no
That's
more
a pretty
netters.
good one right there.
We got too many of them
Oh,
already.
Marcus.
We got too many of them already.
So there we are telling the guide we want netters. That's what we got a guide for the big ones. And he says, no, we don't. Again, showing that he just wants to get the limit and get off the water as quick as possible. We can't even celebrate the bigger fish. There's one.
22 inches.
22.
On camera.
I didn't hear it.
Pick it up, bud, or it's never coming out.
That's why you call it editing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit this where you won't catch nothing. Look at all these fish I'm pulling in, guys. There's my other one right here. He's holding. Here's one.
2, 3, 4.
He's got to count all the big ones. You won't keep so many.
I'm gonna stop the second count. It's hard to when these are biting, you know. When these go.
Who's in the lead? You got the biggest
And the big,
and the most.
Who? This guy, I think he has the most for sure. We'll have to watch the video.
Yeah, I'll have to count.
Oh, come on now. Don't be editing
How
it
many
too
you
much.
got?
I would never.
I'll have to count.
I did too.
Oh, dude, back-to-back action. This is amazing. Is it pretty hot right now this time of year here?
It usually ain't this good, but it is good right now. Put them in the boat. That's another keeper. Oh, that's a good keeper there.
I don't know, guys. Easy release.
Grab another rod.
Another rod? Yeah, I don't know, guys. I think I'm catching up.
Uh-oh. That's a lot.
All right, Jeremy's on his other fish.
I get over here out from the fire tower then where I told you to go, 'cause we're whacking them over here.
Guys, it is on fire this morning. Marcus. Little guy, huh?
Oh yeah.
Catching the bait.
No, I got all the big ones. I got to get all the little ones first.
Someone has to do it.
I'd reel mine up, John. You ain't had a bite in a while. I'll get you in.
Oh, just bit on the reel up.
Get it?
Yep.
There he is. Mine's smaller.
You're kidding me, buddy.
Did you? Oh, shit.
Let me show you something, guys. All guys got fish like you. This is the gay the way you fish. Okay. Put your hand right here.
Yeah.
All them fish are missing, and he wouldn't pull it out of your hand.
All right.
I don't know why, but all guys that fish and fish a lot, they think you got to hold that stomach like this. And that's the stupidest way to hold the rod and reel. Because you don't have no leverage right here. Any of y'all guys, I can hold on to the damn hook and you can't take it out of my hand. Now you move your hand right there after you get it set, and you're gonna put the fucking hook through my finger.
Yeah.
That like you're holding it, you'll get 4 more pounds of hook set if you move your hand up. Put it up.
You talking about right here?
Yeah.
This is how you want us to hold
You'll
it?
feel it 100% better hook set there.
I lost it.
Yeah, you lost him, so it's where you're holding. See how you got more control?
Oh, yeah.
You
Oh,
come up with
yeah.
it?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
You got a whole lot more hook set. I didn't want to say nothing.
Want to flip it?
Yeah. I knew somebody would get one and I didn't do that. Because I keep watching y'all.
Yeah.
And you get a 15, 20 pounder.
It's not going to work.
You can't hold the rod right there.
Yeah.
And now if you just concentrate and you could hold on to it, but he would have you down like this and he'd be right straight at him.
And then that would have...
to be up there,
Yeah,
you know?
I got you.
I knew it would. He had a good fish there that just pulled his britches down on him.
So you didn't even get the fish, Jeremy. What the heck?
Oh, man, I almost lost $150. Get him!
Oh.
I almost lost $175.
What happened?
Yeah, put him in the boat. He was good enough.
Too much bass fishing. Dang, lost my fish. Sad now. Gay fishing.
Oh, I realized he got caught. Started fighting hard. Get up here. Did you hear that? Did you see what just happened right there? I just caught a fish and no one said a word. There was no high fives, no celebrating, nothing. That's how much this guy sucked the fun out of this fishing trip and put us in the mood where we didn't even care to be there. Keeper. I don't know if that's good or bad, but 4 more.
4 more, we're gonna have 30. Keep them baits fresh. You ain't getting the bites, they're down there, guys. I can't be a new bait.
The recorder's at him.
I got you. I got you. It'll be edited out, but I got you.
Put him in.
That's a decent one.
He's a throwback, I think.
Oh no! Took too long to get in the boat. Doesn't count.
That was the biggest one. We all know it.
No, no, no. Oh, this one's freaking. This one feels decent. Am I stuck? I'm not stuck. It's coming up. Dude, this guy's fighting way harder. Holy crap. I don't know what this is. I do not know what this is, but it is big. Big one, big one. Oh my God. I've never.
That's another big one.
Get up. Get up. Oh, pulling drip. Dude, this guy's fighting so hard. That's a giant one, boys. That's a giant one.
We can't stand back like them others.
Woo. Can I hold him for a minute for the video?
Quickly. And
Yeah, I'll get him back in this. I know it's hot.
hold him like a man. Because
Yes, sir.
10, 15 seconds, he dies.
Like a man, not gay.
Not gay. That's not a gay
Pick up. I'll just go ahead and hold him and release him since he's over.
They don't count though, you know that, right?
Oh no, that's. Dude, that guy fought hard.
That's like the...
Grab him, squeeze him tight. When you put
All right,
him
boys, there it is.
in, put him in head first.
Oh, she's bleeding.
Head first.
Head first. I just want to stop the bleeding.
Pick him up now.
Pick him up.
And go head first.
Head first, okay. All right, boys.
Go for it. There you go.
Woo-wee.
Took off.
I just trying to stop that bleeding. So he just fumbled to get the hook out of this fish for like 20 seconds, and yet I can only hold it for 2 seconds. That's it. That's all I get. Sick.
That's the winner.
That, dude, if that's not the winner, I'll take it, because that guy fought way hard. Hardest fighting striper I've ever caught. I thought that was about a foot bigger, the way it fought. Ooh-wee. That was amazing.
Put him in the water.
Get it.
Boat.
In the boat?
Flip, flip it, flip it. Fast, fast.
Oh.
Decent one, dude.
Yeah.
Raise it up, man.
We're on the big ones. How'd that guy fight? How'd it feel?
Well, it felt good.
It felt good?
It didn't seem like it was that heavy. Then
Dude.
it came up. Then it just...
Mine was pissed off the whole time. It was amazing. God, I love that. Jeremy's on.
Put him in there.
Put him in. Yeah, there's a keeper. All right, 3 more fish.
I'd reel mine up here.
Okay.
I bet you. He ain't no good.
I don't do that bass fishing.
he. Go ahead. Okay. Hey, what out a foot? You don't want your weight on the tip.
Don't ever press your button, brother.
Sorry about that.
Reel it up.
That was my fault. You're quiet back there, Marcus. What's going on?
Right now, I just got the biggest fish a while ago.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. Sorry, I said something, Marcus. Too big. Heck yeah, dude.
There we go.
Woo-wee.
Woo. Yeah, buddy. I was lost that about 42 inches.
Hold your pole up tight and don't let her down. When you let her down, it's just making me pull. That means pull, double pull. There you go, straight above my head. That's why you never let go of that reel and you quit grabbing your rod right there.
Stop back like Jeremy.
Yeah.
Hey, Jeremy's back here catching fish.
Jeremy, give me a bad habit.
If you hold that reel,
Sorry,
it's
man.
proper. If you don't hold the reel, then you have to move your whole body to make it. There you go, there's one.
Over the boat.
Two more.
Yeah, buddy.
Reel it up, get you a new one.
I'm gonna do the same. Oh, that's on. That's on. Okay. Since I, oh, nope. That was a weird hook set. I went to reel in, and that's when it took it, so I wasn't prepared.
Good.
Oh, Jeremy's
Put
on.
him in the boat.
Silent killer back here. That's a decent one.
He might be under 20. Pick him up, buddy.
Oh, come on, take it, take it. Getting bumped. 15, all right. Jeremy's on another one.
One more.
One more, I'm gonna have to catch him right here. Well, caught both fish, that's me.
Yeah.
That's the biggest
I
Debate.
thought that little dangster, that's the smallest one out of the whole.
Yeah, that takes away 5 fish.
That could be me.
The smallest fish takes away 5 fish.
You gotta take points away.
Yeah. Oh, in the back, Jeremy. Oh, yes. That's bad but good for us. No, Marcus.
I don't know about being a keeper now. He's pulling pretty hard.
Oh, they both lost their fish on the last one. Come on. Come on, baby. I got this right here. I just need a bite. Oh.
You get it back?
You bit it. It didn't take it. I'm getting played with. Just take it, man. I'm going down 17, a little deeper.
I wouldn't. I'd go down about 15, 16 pulls.
15, 16.
17, that's what.
I thought, so just he needs to go deeper back there?
No, he did it. God, he ought to have one. There's piles up down there now. It's thick. Just stop it right there, big boy. He'll bite it. You're all in.
I'm getting bit.
Keep it still, and he'll have it. I mean, you're like bumping him in the head.
There it is. There it is.
He got one.
Pull off.
Like a real fish.
There it is.
We're gonna catch one more.
Oh,
There
he
he
got
goes.
it.
Oh, Jeremy's on.
He's on too. One more belly button. There it is.
There you go.
All right, keepers.
That's it.
Back-to-back keepers. How many times do you like these wrapped? Or do you want to take care of
They
it?
don't have to be wrapped.
Oh, okay.
I just do that because I bring them from the house.
I got you. I
They
got
don't
you.
Tangle on the way. I'm gonna call a buddy or something. Down to almost 40-foot solid fish, see?
I won't expose your spots. Dang. Yep. As soon as you pull out your rods, they show up every time. Boys, it was fun.
Heck yeah.
It was fun.
No more bass fishing.
No more bass fishing, guys.
I'm done.
Gotta get it good, huh?
All right, I'll sit here and then pull up beside me and weedy trolling motor from a ways, and then as you come in, I'll turn mine off and keep yours going. They're here.
All right, boys, it was a successful trip. I took the lead. Gonna go ahead and say it now.
I'm gonna let one of my
You'll see that the trucker is about to be around my waist.
I'll just stay quiet.
buddies
We'll
gonna
see.
slide.
Yeah. Stay quiet and
Already know.
you already know.
I got a buddy gonna slide in here.
Slide right in the spot. So we caught our limit already. That was pretty quick. Maybe an hour, 30 minutes, or maybe an hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. But it was quick action. It was too fast for us to even keep count. So
Yeah.
I have to go through
Pretty
the.
awesome.
It was
I
fun.
can tell you who got it. They don't have to go back.
He's close. And then I'll go through the video, edit it, and then we'll see who actually won, and we'll see who gets the chain.
Yeah,
Right.
we'll see.
Then we'll put up the title again. Next
How
time we
many
come
pulls
down.
y'all been going?
Hate to say it, but this guy's not getting much of a tip from me. He was kind of a dick. Kind of ruined all the fun. Of course, I still enjoyed myself. I don't let other people control my emotions or happiness. I still had a great time, but it did take quite a while to get in a good mood with this guy. He got us on some fish. That was great. He definitely got us on some fish, but every second he was bitching about something. Just ruined the fun. Don't put the hook here. Set the hook higher. Don't drop the weight. Don't drop the pole. That shit gets old fast. Doesn't make it very fun. The champ has arrived. Look at him. Alright, so we got the medal here. Fishing champion. So who do you think won?
Well, there's only one decision. I talked to Daryl. He told me I was the true winner.
No. Alright, so we're here. We're back home now. These guys do not know the results of the challenge, but I do. I edited the video. So Jeremy, he caught 10 fish.
Dang, the silent killer.
The silent killer. Marcus caught 12 fish.
Hey.
And I caught 13 fish.
All right.
Oh, here it is.
Woo!
Yeah, fishing champion.
Winner of the goal.
By one.
No!
Marcus thought he won. I only won by one fish though. It wasn't bad.
What was it now?
It wasn't a blowout, so.
But they threw 2 of my fish back.
Yeah.
Hey, those counted. Those definitely counted. We counted every fish. But
That's good. Good
Yeah.
job. Congratulations.
Good job, guys.
so we'll definitely go back to Texoma, and the next time they will get the chance to win this back. So that's pretty
I'll
cool.
catch this thing alligator carp.
Yeah, alligator guard.
Or paddlefish.
Paddlefish.
Yeah, that's what we're going for next time. So it's gonna be pretty awesome. But I'm happy to take this home.
Congratulations.
Hold it for a while.
That was fun.
It was fun, guys. I had an amazing time.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for the invite.
Yeah. We'll do it again.
All right, so as you just saw, I took home the gold medal, which I'm freaking excited about. The whole trip, we thought that Marcus took the win because he kept saying he caught more, he caught the biggest fish, and it seemed right. But after I edited the video, I beat him by one fish. It was stressful to edit because I kept hooking on fish and losing them when we were tied. And I was like, come on, dude, I'd be winning right now if I didn't freaking lose this fish. But in the end, I came back and took the win. And I promise you, I would never edit out a fish to make me win. Jeremy actually won the last challenge we three had. So there's proof right there. I don't always win these challenges. It's my video, I'm editing it, but I lose too. But today we won and we got the medal. And like I said, we will do more challenges with this medal and pass it around and do more fishing stuff with it. But guys, although we had a terrible guide service, a terrible experience with this one guy, as you saw, me, Jeremy, and Marcus, we're still having fun. We still laugh, we're still joking, we still had a great time. We could have had a way better time, a way funner experience on the water with a better guide. But you know, we caught our limit, but we were on the water for maybe an hour and 20 minutes. Not very long, kind of sucks. But we still had an awesome time. We had fun, we're laughing about it now, so it's all good. But if you guys want to have an awesome experience at Lake Texoma, catching stripers so big that you have to use 2 hands to hold it up, then Guaranteed Guide Service is the place to call. But guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.